Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse, today, Friday, November 8th, 2024. Now, on the Trump docket, of course, how are these two, after the election, the two federal prosecutions, what's going to happen next? There seems to be some interest at the Justice Department to somehow pursue the appeal of Judge Aileen Cannon's ruling that Jack Smith is not a proper special counsel. Could they get that done before January 20th? It would involve the 11th Circuit putting it on a fast track. We'll just have to see. And the Judge Merchan's sentencing. Now, on Tuesday, he's supposed to rule on the motion to dismiss the whole or overturn the verdict based on the immunity decision. Will he do that? Will he go forward with the sentencing? And if so, what exactly will he do, and how would it be enforced? We'll be all over them. Yesterday, Rudy was here, Rudy Giuliani, in the collection action. And it didn't really go that well. Judge Lyman he said, you've already lost that issue. The TV, the grandfather's watch. Afterwards, Rudy spoke in front of the court and said it was all lawfare. But there's various deadlines on that, and it's something to watch. We're covering it quite closely. Now, the firm representing the plaintiffs in that case is Willkie Farr and Gallagher. I'm assuming pro bono. They're Caruso, Giuliani's lawyer, said for them that's a cause, not a case. Interestingly enough, there's a Willkie Farr partner, Robert Stebbin, that's being floated as a possible Trump SEC head to replace Gary Gensler. I don't know. I just note that, and I also say on the crypto front, since the SEC and Gensler, this is a big topic. Yesterday, Mashinsky, facing a January trial, did win the right to try to depose 4 people in the Netherlands, Israel, and Germany. But pretty much Judge Kodal said, 1, he denied the motion to dismiss a couple of counts, and 2, he said the trial will unlikely to be delayed even if they don't get the depositions. Although if they're close to getting them, maybe it would be pushed back a little bit. And Eric Adams, people are saying that not only could the case against him disappear, or if he was convicted, get a pardon, that somehow the politics may also help him. But we're going to leave that because this is quite a political one, but there's just obviously there's still all these ramifications. As to the UN continues bumbling along. They said yesterday, a woman called Stephanie Tremblay, number 3 spokesperson, said that they'll be sure to be speaking to the incoming administration before January 20th. I don't know to who, or Rick Grinnell, I don't know. But there's the rumor is, or a name floated, is that Lee Stafanik, here of New York, as a possible UN ambassador. That would be really something, and we'll see its implications for the UN budget. In any event, we're resting because there's a trial that we're covering down here that's not a federal trial. Hint, hint. If we don't do another vlog, have a good weekend. To be continued.